I'm Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer, showing you a 2010 model Bobcat 320 that we have for sale. Has 1,920 hours on it, horsepower 92 horsepower, operating load 3,100 pounds, tipping load a huge 9,208 pounds. This is just a very much a stout machine, excellent condition. I mean, it is just super nice. It has a nice set of tracks on it, a real nice undercarriage. There just isn't anything to apologize, you know, on this machine. Just everything is good on it. Has auxiliary hydraulics. I'm gonna have my son, you know, show you how it runs. Runs excellent, doesn't have any problems, so you know, just ready to go to work. You can see all of our skid steers by going to texasskidsteer.com, or you can give us a call at 817-220-0100. Anyway, it's just a real nice machine. You need a machine that will, you know, really lift the lot. This is one of the biggest machines that there is in, you know, skid steers, period. Just give us a call at 817-220-0100. Thank you, and you have a great day.